Do you want to draw attention to your company or product and don't know how to do it? Present yourself through an interesting and attractive video. People don't like to read on the internet, but they love sharing interesting videos. On Facebook alone, more than 500 million people watch videos every day. If your video grabs someone's attention, it will spread like wildfire, and your advertising worries will be over. Thanks to the video, you will gain your clients' trust. People will get the impression that they already know you, and they will prefer you over your competitors. Every video will double the time visitors spend on your website. What's more, if your website contains a video, you will have a far greater chance of getting your site into the top positions in the search engines. The fact is that video is the most popular medium on the internet today. So don't go against the flow. Invest in a quality video that will increase your visibility. Our company has been creating videos for many years, and in that time we've earned the trust of a large number of prominent companies. If you are really serious about your presentation, don't hesitate to contact us. We will be happy to get you seen.